Polkadot back in double figures, back at $10 plus. This is fantastic for all you dot holders who have rode out the bear market, or those who accumulated in the bear market. Things are starting to look good for Polkadot. We're going to get into it. Joe here, Crypto Rosetta. Thanks for joining us once again. Okay, so Polkadot market cap. Currently ranked 12th. It's been higher, as we know. Can it break into the top 10? Leave us a comment below if you are bullish on DOT and expect to see it back in the top 10. But currently around about $12.8 billion market cap. On the 24-hour volume, pretty good, up 29%. It's ranked 21 on volume. So we've got a back above $10. This is the first time that this has happened for 21 months. There's not a lot of other news around Polkadot at the moment. We know the team is out at the ETH Denver conference. So things looking good for Polkadot. We do have to be cautious of a market pullback, of course, because Bitcoin is still in extreme greed. We know what's going on there. Bitcoin hitting new yearly highs again today, which is absolutely fantastic for the space, of course. But should we be remaining cautious? We'll take a look at the charts. I'll give you my opinion on what I'm looking at the moment. Of course, nothing I say in the charts is financial advice. Before we do that, though, just a reminder: if you want to help support the channel, and more importantly, if you want to win yourself £10,000 worth of any cryptocurrency of your choice, of course, Polkadot can be the prize you can win. You can also win Bitcoin, any other altcoins, stable coins. The choice is yours. You can enter competition 8 at cryptcomps.com, or you can win up to £1,000 worth if you enter competition 9, which is only £1 a ticket. Literally £1 a ticket. You can enter from anywhere worldwide. Just hit enter competition now and get your tickets to get involved. Now, hitting the charts. Just before we dive into DOT, I just want to take a look at the total market cap here, because I believe we are in an area of resistance now. Total has hit 2.4 trillion today. Fantastic. We know the all-time high is around about 3 trillion. So we can see from the previous highs, a bit of a top in structure. We are in that area of resistance now, back testing it. We need to blast through 3 trillion to confirm what people are calling the super cycle or the blow off top and all this excitement. We don't really have any targets at the moment. I kind of want to see us get through there before we can speculate what is going to happen to total market cap and where the crypto space is going, if we are in that confirmed bull market and going to great new highs in the space. Still believe we will be expecting deeper correction, and things may turn a little bit bearish if we lose 1.4 trillion. I think that's going to be a really important level to hold. Still got it marked as potential bottom, not guaranteed bottom. I know it looks like 99% now that it is the bottom, but strange things can happen. Anything can happen in crypto. Anything can happen in markets. So Polkadot, last video I showed, I had higher targets for it in that 1050 to 1650 area. We've got up to $10.31 using Binance's data today as our high. Yep, $10.31. So kind of at that lower end of my that minimum target I'm expecting. But if we remain bullish in the space tomorrow, if alts can continue to climb, as Ethereum's already hit 3,600 today, then things should still be looking good, and we may get higher and hit that minimum target. I've added key level 22, 26. Going to take a look at why in a moment. So you can see it came down. It was a long bear market. We finally broke, the descending resistance, and we are looking like we are on our way up now. And the key thing is this just a 3-wave correction, or are we getting an impulsive 5-wave move to the upside? Polkadot, again, yellow count. Could just be 3 waves corrective. There still should be some movement to the upside, whatever happens here, in my opinion. Of course, it can roll over at any stage, which would be very disappointing. But until signals turn bearish, which they certainly haven't, things are looking still bullish to me. Again, not financial advice. This is just completely my opinion and speculation. So the 3-wave count, we should see $16 1-to-1 come in. But really, as I just marked up, that 22, 26 area, we need to see that to kind of trigger a 5-wave move to the upside, and things will be looking pretty bullish on DOT. And I think we should see, minimum $30 before we see a bit of a correction, and then hopefully we'll get a new impulse, which could take Polkadot to new all-time highs. So if you want to join the channel membership, We've still got our lifetime membership NFTs available for 1800 ADA. Limited to 500 only. The question's been asked, is that price going to drop if the price of ADA increases? The answer to that is yes. We periodically review the price of the NFTs, and of course, if the ADA price increases, the amount of ADA they will cost will come down. So, speculating on the chart, this is the moonshot. I think it's that $100 psychological target for DOT. It would be a 10x from today's current prices, which I still think would be great. For a altcoin of DOT's market cap and how long it's been around. And I think it's a reasonable target if we get these new all-time highs on Bitcoin, new all-time highs on Ethereum, the altcoin, the alt season, as they say, well and truly in swing. And I think that is a realistic, sort of, without getting too super moon about Polkadot, if we can see new all-time highs. Now, a lot of people are speculating that we'll never see new all-time highs on a whole host of altcoins, and I am aligned with that. And it's very difficult at this stage to say, if DOT is going to be one of them or not. Nobody knows truly. This is just speculation. But if DOT is going to be one of those that can go to new all-time highs, then I think that figure target is reasonable. Leave us a comment below if you believe you will see $100 Polkadot, or you think it's got absolutely no chance, and what your targets are, or if you're just really bearish and you're expecting new lows. I totally respect it. Of course, there's still a possibility of that. Just showing, obviously, there's an argument that this could just be 1, 2, 3, get a free wave correction here and come down. We know that is still absolutely possible in the bearish scenario. However, it is looking a lot less likely now, it has to be said. Thanks for watching. If you haven't already done so, smash the like. See you again.